Good evening, teacher and partners. My name is Cristhian Toro. I am a student of the ninth semester in degree in English as a foreign language, and this is a presentation of the Phonetics and Phonology course related with the IPA or International Phonemic Alphabet. Well, the next are the vowel sounds. E, keep, sit, T. E, bean, big, bridge. U, sweet, who, buoyed. U, food, suit, good. A, may, lane, bay. A, about, fiction, serious. Sorry. A, ben, said, head. O, saw, born, all. A, sad, fat, hot. A, cup, hut, but. A, car, heart, slut. A, not, on. E, here, ear. A, they, wait. U, tour, tourist. I, boy, toy, point. O, go, show. Air, where, hair. I, my, line, by. Ow, cow, town, loud. And now we continue with the consonant sounds. Pig, paper, cup. Back, cab, label. Tail, hot, bitter. Dog, day, hard. Chase, church, lecture. Enjoy, John, judge. Cat, snake, ticket. Give, back, go. Fit, love, coffee. View, wolves, of. Think, out, lithography, day, mother, then, lesson, case, z, rose, des, zero, sheet, machine, English, vision, usual, intrusion, much, milk, summer, no, any, one, uncle, ring, slung, whole, hair, behind, late, altar, fall, rose, bear, carpet, ooh, we, wall, always, year, yellow, onion. Well, um, this is the vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Thanks for your attention and thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.